commercial lighting projects, choosing a reliable manufacturer often determines the final outcome. At Winway Lighting, reliability comes from real manufacturing strength. Winway Lighting is a professional manufacturer specializing in LED commercial lighting. For years, we have continuously invested in research, production, and quality management systems. Our factory operates under the ISO 9001 quality management system, ensuring standardized and stable production processes. Reliable products start with strong research and development capability. Through continuous structural and optical optimization, our products meet the standards required in different global markets. As a self-owned factory, Winway operates a complete manufacturing system. From LED module production to fixture assembly, every step follows strict standardized procedures. Modern production equipment ensures both efficiency and product consistency. Quality is the core competitiveness of lighting products. All products undergo strict aging and performance testing before shipment. Our products comply with multiple international certifications, including CE, ROHS, FCC. Winway offers a complete LED commercial lighting product portfolio, including LED fan lights, LED ceiling lights, LED panel lights, LED linear lighting, LED track lights, LED downlights, LED floodlights, PCB modules, widely used in office, commercial, and industrial lighting environments. Besides standard products, we provide flexible OEM and ODM services, supporting voltage adaptation, CCT adjustment, structural optimization, custom packaging, helping clients complete their projects more efficiently. With years of export experience, Winway provides stable and efficient delivery services worldwide, from research to manufacturing, from factory to real-world applications. Winway Lighting, your reliable LED commercial lighting partner.